It's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories. And what do we have? Well, we have a great Ram here, 2500 Power Wagon. And what did we do? I'll show you 1 second. By the way, that is our telephone numbers. If you have good questions, we have great answers. And by the way, our general manager, John, is behind the camera today. You probably, if you call this store, you'd be talking to this great man. And let's take a good look here. This is, again, the Ram 1500. It is a Rambox, so you got your nice little storage on the side here, which is really nice. As you can see, it does open and close with the cover here, and I'm going to show you the cover. Now this is going to be, I believe this one is the backflip MX4. Let me open this up. All right, can you see that okay, John? Yep. It's one tall truck. So this is inside the Ram boxes, as you can see from the video. Now this is a low profile. It's not like the one you get where from the factory it sits 3 inches up and it looks like a big brick. This sits nice and low profile. Everything matches very nicely, and I'm going to show you how everything works. Now you have a left and right release mechanism, so wherever you're standing, driver's side or passenger side, you can open this up. Now as we go through this, I want to point out a few things. This is a folding cover that does require you to reach underneath here. Now if you're vertically challenged, this might not be the cover for you. The gentleman who owns this truck is 6'5", I think. He's really tall, so that's not a problem. I'm 6 foot and I'm just fine as well, but if you're a lot shorter, this might be a little harder. So now you can drive with this in this position right here. Basically, you take this little fella here and it just locks into this little thing here, and you're good to go on the highway. Now, if you need more space in here, now a lot of folding covers stop right here. So it's a trifold, but doesn't mean it folds 3 times. This one does fold 3 times. Now, if you notice, it has little protectors here, and it's going to reach in here, pull this down. This is going to lean right up underneath the. If you notice, there's a camera in the third brake light. This does not block the camera. Now this will lock into place here, so you can put something big in here. You're going to bike week, you want to put the Harley back here. You can pull it in, removing the couch, wherever it is. Now, if you look inside, there's pre-made holes from the factory, and we use those holes for the drainage system because this cover does come with a drainage system. So if the water gets past that seal, instead of going to bed, it catches it and drains it out. This is going to make it a lot better for water. Now this does require this silver rail. So if you look inside here, there's silver rails, not black rails. This cover does require the silver rails. Now see, this goes in here. Again, I'm just going to close it down. You don't need to slam these. You just close it normal. Got caught on my finger there. And come right out here. Now when you go to final close, you just push down both sides. Again, this has a great warranty. It's got a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now if we install it like we did today, that 5-year warranty gets doubled to 10 years. It is through a realtruck program, and it's a great warranty. We've got 10 years on this if it's professionally installed, and we put 1-year labor guarantee on our work. Now this does have a 400-pound weight capacity, and the panels themselves is not a single piece of metal. I'm going to open this up one more time. This has got 2 pieces of metal, reinforcement in the middle, and then they kind of do this nice little powder coating on top here. So you get an extra layer of insulation. Why is that good? Well, in Florida, it is hot. It's hot right now, and the temperature right here will get very hot. Now, having an insulation between the other piece of metal, the heat doesn't conduct as well into the bed. So that's a really nice feature. Again, I love this product. We've been selling this a long time. Great company, American made. If you like it, we drop ship it anywhere in the country, or come here, let us do the installation for you. Again, I'm Chris with C&H, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.